Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm about to show you how to pay your Atomic card at 7-Eleven the easy way. So make sure to watch until the end. And if this video will help you, please leave a like. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your Atome app and go to the Bills tab. Tap the Pay Now under your Atomic card. For the payment method, choose over the counter or OTZ. Then select 7-Eleven or any supported convenience store. The app will generate a payment code and barcode. Now go to 7-Eleven, but you don't need to go to the machine. Just go straight to the 7-Eleven cashier. Show them the payment code or the barcode from your Atome app. Provide your cash payment, and the staff will process it for you directly. So once done, keep your receipt for reference. This payment usually reflect in your Atome app within a day. And another thing is, make sure to read the payment instruction on the code page to confirm the merchant name and the store support the payment. And that's it. That's how you pay your Atomic card at 7-Eleven. Super easy and convenient. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.